If you are applying for BNP Paribas 2025 Summer Analyst or Full-Time Analyst program, no matter it is London, New York City, Hong Kong, or any other places, you will need to finish online assessment, coding and HackerRank test. You have no direction how to get prepared, and only have 1 hour since you need to prep for other companies and your schoolwork. Offertutoring.com is here to help. We provide you with the exact question and answers for your upcoming BNP Paribas online assessment and coding test, so you can precisely write your own story and save time. Click the buying link below, select your option and your office. Then you can download the exact questions that will occur in your upcoming test. You can get well prepared within half an hour, only by preparing the exact questions 100% specific to your program and your office. Click the buying link now and secure your first offer.